So most people avoid this particular brand of spaghetti, Auntie B. Now let's be real. The reason most people try to avoid this particular brand of spaghetti, some said the texture, they don't like the texture. Some said it gets soggy too quick. Oh, but to me, it's not about the brand. It's about the method of cooking it. So using this method that I'm about to share with you now, I think it will improve how you people avoid the spaghetti. It will improve it and antidote can pop up in the market. So let's get to the kitchen. Let's cook it the way it's done. So but before I share with you the new method of cooking this particular brand Auntie, kindly share your experience in the comment section. Yes. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more food review.
Let's prepare Auntie pasta together. Kindly stay with me, watch till the end. Let's go. This is the salt. So the thing is that after pouring everything, so let's leave it for the water to boil. We have to go for 5 minutes and the time starts now. 5 minutes. Let's go. Come on.
Come on. Now tell me, who said Auntie B cannot shine with the big boys? It's not about the brand. It's about the person behind the brand, like the person preparing the brand. Fine, this is Auntie B spaghetti, Auntie B pasta. Look at it. No starch, no soggy. If you follow the steps I showed you now, this is what you will come up with. Something like this is what you come up with. This is Auntie B. Yes, it's fine. It's okay. Like no soggy. So I don't know why people always complain like Auntie B is soggy and the texture is. Look at it. Oh, come on. I love this. I love it. I love this. I love this. Come on. So I hope this is clear now. Auntie B is not that. It's not bad at all. It is okay. It is you that you are cooking it. Like you now leave it 10 minutes. You still be on now. You now be. It's you that you are cooking it. Auntie B is not bad at all. It's not bad. It's you that you are cooking Auntie B. You know, I think Auntie B pasta is not good. Auntie B pasta is good. I think it's Auntie B pasta spaghetti just need some techniques, some method to cook it so that it will roll with the big boys. So I want you to try my method to cook Auntie B. Make sure you tag me. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more food review. So let me know in the comment section the brand you think I should review next. I love you. Comment below. Auntie B. I know they give anybody. Go and cook your own and tag me. Bye bye.